So my children just harvest some greens that we planted, and which is some greens, herbs. Yeah, greens and herbs. So I'm just showing them how to actually cook their harvest, eat their harvest. Well, they know how to eat it, but they're just being shown how to utilize their harvest. One has already cleaned the greens. They have already cleaned the greens. They're cutting. They chopped it and then they put it into the pan, which is going to simmer down. And the other one is just putting the greens inside of the pan. All of it is going to simmer down and cook down. And we'll just show you the finished product. They're greens. It's super easy. They're collard greens, mustard greens, and herbs. Oh, and also kale. And there you have it, sauteed up greens and herbs. Gotta have a crunch to it, not to be like soupy. So good.